Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be discussing what is Punnett square and one of the important tools of genetics. I'll be explaining what is Punnett square and we will solve it in the situation of forms or problems for both monohybrid and dihybrid process with complete solution. Don't worry because I'll explain it to you step by step para dali ra sa ninyo masabtan. So let's get started. So first is what is Punnett square? Punnett square is a diagram or tool in genetics to predict the possible genotypes and phenotypes of offspring, and it only shows how alleles formed in the parent can combine. So ang Punnett square kay mao ni siya ang diagram or a visual tool nga pwede nato ma-predict ang usa ka things or ang usa ka genetic ataw. Ang simple terms ani niya kay mura ni siya table or box nga nagtabang nato para unsaon nato pag-determine kung unsa ang traits ana nga things. This posta na ha. Okay, posta na atay kat. It help us to understand whether the traits is dominant or recessive. So it only shows the ratio and probability of the outcomes. So let's talk about let's first talk what is monohybrid and dihybrid crosses. So let's tackle first what is the monohybrid. So we have here a problem. A biology student is studying rabbit 4 color while B or the dominant trait is a black 4 while the recessive trait is a white 4. Two rabbits both have a black 4. Both are known to be heterozygous. And the question is, what are the possible 4 colors of their baby rabbits? So ang iyang parent kay both siya na ay dominant and recessive, which is ang dominant kay si black 4 while si white 4 ang recessive. So unsa man ang color sila mga baby rabbits? Let's see. So inani ang Punnett square. And then ang solution, we will cross this one into dominant B, which is the dominant allele, and the recessive allele. Okay. Now let's start crossing the one. The 2. Inani ang may tabo. Yes. So if ato na siyang Punnett square, mogawas ang homozygous dominant or black 4, which is ang kanang mga dagko, kanang big letter B, which is mao ang dominant. Gitawag na siya nga homozygous dominant. Second one is the heterozygous dominant. With a heterozygous dominant is a dominant and a recessive one, while the homozygous recessive is this one. Kani ay. The ratio of that one is one homozygous dominant, 2 heterozygous dominant, and 1 homozygous recessive. So most of the baby rabbit will have black 4, but there is a chance that some will be white 4. Okay, so let's tackle about what is the hybrid process. Kani. So let's talk about the hybrid cross. So we have a question here that a farmer is breeding corn plants and observing a plant color, plant height, and the kernel color. The alleles are dominant T stands for tall and the recessive T stands for short. The recessive Y stands for yellow kernels and the recessive Y stands for white kernels. Both parents are heterozygous for both traits. So the cross is heterozygote, homodominant, and homodominant. Okay, so we have here. So the question is, what traits are expected in their offspring? So as you can see here, kani ay. So as you can see here, kani siya. Before solving that one, ato na siyang i-distribute. Like, kaniha. Like, si Tipa, ana, inana ang pag-distribute niya, guys. So, i-distribute ni mo ana, mo na ni siya ang naayos. Here, kani guys. Wait ha. Mo na ni imuhang mga alleles na need ni mo, kani. Wait, kani, yes. Mo na ang ato ang need is solve that each possible gametes of parents can produce. So let's do here. Always remember that mag-una dyan si dominant kaysa ni recessive trait. So kani siya ay the same rigid siya sa Punnett square. Imo siyang i-list the possible gametes nya mogawas na siya. Mogawas na siya. Mao ni. Kano ano ni mogawas. Here kana. No, kana siya. So there is also a possibility. So unsa man ang mga kuan niya? Here. Kani siya, guys. Gentrification of. So gentrification is 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:2:1. So kung ato na siyang sagol-sagulon kay tall and yellow 9 ka buok, tall and white 3, short and yellow 3 ka buok, short and white 1 ka buok. So it says that this shows that the common offspring are tall with yellow kernels, while the least common are short with white kernels. To summarize, a Punnett square is a powerful tool that used to help us to visualize how alleles are inherited. A monohybrid cross focuses on how one trait and usually follows interratio 3:1 ratio, while the dihybrid crosses involves 2 to more traits that follows the ratio 9:3:1 ratio. So I hope this video will help you to understand what is Punnett square better. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you to my next vlog and next video. Bye.